you know that a conic is the locus of a point which moves such that its distance from a fixed point bears a constant ratio to its distance from a fixed line. That constant is known as eccentricity. If that eccentricity is greater than 1, it is known as hyperbola. In this video, let us see the derivation of the standard equation of a hyperbola. This is the fixed point. S is the fixed point. This is the fixed line. Fixed line is called directrix. Fixed point is called focus. From S, you drop a perpendicular to the directrix. That meeting point, let it be Z. From P, you drop a perpendicular. That meeting point, let it be M. And this SZ you extend. That is the x-axis. Then this SZ you divide internally and externally in the ratio E is to 1. So let A and A dash be the points. A and A dash be the points which divides SZ internally and externally in the ratio E is to 1. And you draw the perpendicular bisector of A dash. A dash. Perpendicular bisector of A dash. That is Y axis. So this is X axis and this is Y axis. A dash. A dash is 2A. So this is the center. So CA will be A. This is 2A. A dash is 2A. So CA will be A. Now AS by AZ. AS by AZ is E by 1 because we divided like that. A is dividing SZ. A is dividing SZ internally in the ratio E is to 1. So AS divided by AZ is E by 1. So E. Now you rearrange this. So you'll get AS is E AZ. AS is E AZ. AS is E AZ. Now AS can be written as CS minus CA. AS. So every measurement we have to make it from the center. So AS can be written as CS minus CA is equal to E into AZ. For AZ we can write CA minus CZ. Now for CA we can write A. CA. So CS minus A is equal to E. For the CA we can write A minus CZ. So now we are getting one expression for containing CS and CZ. CS and CZ. Then you can write this side, the expression for this side, A dash S by A dash Z. Here AS by AZ, that side, AS by AZ. Now A dash Z, A dash S, A dash is dividing SZ externally in the ratio. So A dash S divided by A dash Z. A dash is dividing SZ externally in the ratio E is to 1. So A dash S divided by A dash Z is E by 1. Now from this we can write A dash S is equal to E A dash Z. Now for A dash S, so we can write A dash C plus CS. A dash C plus A dash C. A dash S is A dash C plus CS is equal to E A dash Z. A dash Z can be written as A dash Z. A dash Z can be written as A dash C plus CZ. A dash C. A dash C is also A, because this is A dash is 2A. So this is A. A dash C is A plus CS is equal to E. A dash C you can write A plus CZ. So now A dash C you can write A. A dash C you can write A. So now you are getting another equation containing CS and CZ. So by adding these two equations, when you add these two equations, minus A plus A, so it will get cancelled. Here CS, here CS. So 2CS is equal to this side. So here EA, again here EA. So 2 times EA. Then second term will get cancelled because here it is minus ECZ, here it is plus ECZ. So this will get cancelled. So from this we can get to CS. CS is AE. This 2 will get cancelled. So CS. So CS is AE. So we are getting the coordinate of S. AE. It is on the x-axis. So y coordinate will be 0. CS is AE. So we are getting the coordinate of S. S is AE comma 0 CS. Now from this you subtract this. When you subtract from this, when you subtract this plus CS, then when you subtract minus CS, so CS will get cancelled. A minus minus A, so it will become 2A. When you subtract here, it will be 2ECZ. When you subtract this from this, EA will get cancelled. Second term here it is ECZ. Here it is minus ECZ. So when you subtract, it will be 2 times ECZ. So now CZ, you will get the expression for CZ. 2 will get cancelled. So CZ is A by E. So CZ. So CZ is A by E. So the coordinate of Z is, coordinate of the Z is A by E comma 0. It is on the x-axis. So y coordinate will be 0. So the coordinate of the Z is A by E comma 0. Coordinate of S is AE comma 0. Coordinate of Z is A by E comma 0. So we are getting the coordinate of M also, because it's the same distance here. So x coordinate will be A by E. Y coordinate will be same as this Y. P is the moving point. P is the moving point. Its coordinate is x comma y. So coordinate of M is A by E comma y. Now join SP. Then as per the definition of conics, SP by PM is a constant. That constant is eccentricity. If you rearrange this, SP is equal to EPM. Then square both sides. So SP square is equal to E square PM square. So you can apply now distance formula. SP, this distance is SP is square root of x minus AE whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. But here now it is SP square. So square root is not needed. X minus E whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to E square, then is equal to E square, then PM square, this distance, PM, x minus A by E all square plus y minus y all square. Now remove this bracket, x minus AE all square, that is x square minus 2AEX plus A square E square, then y minus 0, so it is y square. Then when you square this and remove the bracket, you will get this first term x square, so outside E square x square minus, then here next term is minus 2A by E x, but outside E square is there, so one E will get cancelled, so it will be E minus 2AEX. Then next term here A square by E square, but outside E square is there, so it will become A square. Now minus 2AEX minus 2AEX, so it will get cancelled. Now a square e square, take this a square this side, then this y square, take this x square that side. In this case the eccentricity is greater than 1. So if you take this side, you will get 1 minus e square. So that's why we are taking to the other side. Then here x square outside, so you can get e square minus 1. If you take this side, it will be 1 minus e square, then it will be negative. So you take to the other side. In the case of parabola, hyperbola, eccentricity is greater than 1. Now take this y square to the other side. X square and y square same side, then this side constant. Then every term you divide by this a square e square minus 1, a square e square minus 1, a square e square minus 1. So here numerator and denominator same, so this will be 1. E square minus 1, e square minus 1, so this will get cancelled. So it will be x by a square minus y square by, for this we can write b square is equal to, this is 1. So now for this we have written b square. So b square is equal to a square into e square minus 1. So this is the relation between b and a. B square is equal to a square e square minus 1. Here this is 2a. This is called transverse axis. Then here b dash, 2b, this is 2b, then this is 2a. This is called conjugate axis and this is transverse axis. Then this is a hyperbola. Then this is the vertex. Vertex is a comma 0. Focus is AE comma 0. Similarly this side the other directrix. So thank you for watching.